This is Tracey from Mindless Crafting, and today we're going to be making some adorable burlap tags. So let's get started. So I used the burlap paper stack, which I absolutely love. Look how thick that is. And the back of it is paper. And the front is burlap, of course. So all I did was I took this template here and I traced it. So this is just a template I have in my craft room. I traced it onto the back here so I could see the line, and then I cut it out. And then I started punching holes in that, but I wanted you to see how easy this was, just in case you thought it might be too thick. Just punching holes in here. Okay, so we're going to make 4 of these. Then I'm going to attach these little tags here. Now these tags might look familiar to you, these little mini tags, because we have them in a mini vintage kit. So many of you may already have these tags in that kit, so you can use them for other projects. So all I did was I took, look how cute that is. I took some of these doilies, these paper doilies, and I just covered them. So I'm going to show you what I did with this. All I did was I just kind of held this close up to, because I want that lace side on here. I just held it up to my tag, and then I turned it around and I cut it to see what it would look like. And it looks really cute. Okay, so when I turn it around, that's what it looks like. So now I took some of my art glitter glue and I just lightly put a little bit right around there, because it's going to stick really good. And I love these doilies. I'll put the link below. This comes in a pack of 100, so you got 100 doilies to play with and add to your project. So I thought that would just look so adorable. So look at that. So I'm going to have these attached to the tag like that. Then I have these doily flowers. It's actually a combination, not doily, but little burlap flowers, but they are so cute. So they come like this. It comes in a pack of 4, and you probably heard of this before, Jolie's Boutique or Jolie's Boutique, and they came in a pack of 4 and they had this on it, but I don't want that. It has a little sticky backing, so I'm going to use that to attach. It just goes so well with the burlap. So I'm going to use this to attach it. I'll probably maybe hot glue it on there, even though it's already adhesive, but to really make it stick. I already have my hot glue gun fired up. Okay, so I'm going to take those off because we won't need those. And I won't add those yet. I'm going to wait on that. Okay. And let me measure these tags just in case you want to know. This is 4 3/4, and the width is 3 inches. Okay, just in case you need to know. Okay, so now that we got that done, we're going to use some of this wonderful lace ribbon. And I want it to come down like this, right down to the bottom, something like that. So I'm going to cut, for this one, I'm just going to cut it right here. And that should work. I love this ribbon because it's from Dollar Tree, so it goes a long way. I've used these in other projects before. Now, here's the thing. I'm not even sure if this is going to stick using my art glitter glue, but we're going to try it and see, right? If not, I have my hot glue gun on standby. So let's see if that works. Oh, Oh, it looks like it's going to work. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, let's go ahead and see how this works. Just cutting this on an angle here. But this lacy ribbon is so, if you see this at Dollar Tree, pick some up. They've carried this for years, and I can never have enough of this. Okay, so let's put that on there. Let's see how far up I want that. And it doesn't have to be perfect. Everything doesn't have to line up exactly. If you have a little bit coming off the edge, that's okay. If it's a little bit too short, that's okay too. We want to have fun here. We want to enjoy the process of crafting. Okay, like that. So I'm taking you through the whole process. And my dog hears someone outside, so you might end up hearing a little barking going on here. Hold on one moment. Okay, she calmed down just a little bit, but when she gets to barking, you can really hear it. Okay, so let's go ahead and put some on here. And I just eyeball it. That looks like it's enough glue. Maybe a little bit right here. It's going to be something else trying to record when she's in the room. Okay, so let's go ahead and start where we left off here. Okay, and I'm just going to cut it like this. A little bit easier, right? And let's do this last one here. I think I'm going to go crossway with these two, with the ribbon. I think that'll look pretty. Something like that, right? Yeah, when Strawberry gets to barking, you can really hear it. Okay. It looks like I don't need my glue gun. That's hanging on there really good. So this one, some of these I can just go, I could do two on this side, right? And just neaten that up a little bit more. Could do another one on this side. Okay. Something like that would look cute. All right, and then I'm going to go across like this on these. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then we will be right back. Okay, so let's go ahead and add our flower on here. And I'm just going to hot glue this on, even though I'm going to take this sticky backing off. But I really want this to stick on, so I'm going to hot glue it. But these flowers are so cute, and they match perfectly. Okay, put that right on the intersection there. But you can add so much to these tags. I love making tags. It's one of my favorite crafts, and I don't have to think about it so much. Okay, let's take this one off. And this one I'll just put right above where that intersects. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and put like a little sentiment. I want this to be like right on here. See if that one will fit. And this one right here. But before I do that, I have these little sentiments here. And I want to add some of these in. This one says friends. So let's put this one on here. That one says friends. This one says every day is a second chance. What a wonderful message. So I'm cutting it apart. Every day is a second chance. I love positive words. Find joy in the ordinary. These are really sticky too. Find joy in the ordinary. And let's see what else. Ooh, kindness is contagious. That would be a good one. I can't remember where I got these. I think maybe someone sent them to me in Happy Mail. I'm not sure. I'm trying to use some of the things that I have in my craft room already. Okay, so let's go ahead and take some of this jute twine, which goes perfect with this. It's perfect. And just cut 4 of these. You can just cut them as long as you want. You know, nothing, no measuring here, just however you want them to be. Okay, this burlap paper is really good also for like enhancing your cards. I'm just pulling that through and pull it through there. So you got like a double tag with a message. And whoever's getting this in Happy Mail, you can also just take these apart and just use them. This will be nice on the cover of a journal. If you want to pull it apart, you can put these little messages on a card. You can add little charms to these as well. Just another idea. And that one doesn't want to go through. Yep, gotta line it up, right? Yeah, just let me know if you want to see more ideas with burlap, because I love using burlap. Oh, it's right there. That one I'm just going to put off to the side there. And another one here. So I hope this inspired you. So much fun doing this and really not thinking about it, but just putting the stuff down, putting everything together, and just having a good time. Okay, and now, like for this one, I'm going to put another one across here. Just thinking about that. Just need something else. So maybe around this area here. I see this going in like a vintage journal. Just an idea. So cute. And then if you want to drop a pearl on these, you can. If you want to say you want something else on there. Let's see if I can find something that's pearl looking. I'm sure I have something. There's always something in your stash. That looks like a pearl, right? Okay. So we can just drop some pearls in there. I think pearls look pretty on that craft paper colored tags. For some reason, 3. 3 is the number, right? These look so adorable. Oh, I need more pearls, huh? Okay. Let me hurry up before my glue dries. Because that's one thing about art glitter glue. It will dry clear, which is awesome, but also dries fast. Cute. See how quickly that's going? 4 tags, right? And of course now Strawberry's under the desk taking a little nap. Because we were playing outside earlier. And look how cute those are. Oh my goodness, I love it. I love it. Yeah, and I'll put the links to where you can find everything. Of course, this is Dollar Tree. And these doilies are in our store. We still have a few left. And that burlap paper though, that's the winner right there. So y'all take care. And I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you real soon. Bye.